Hello everyone, it's Jack from Vanshades. Today we're fitting Window Pod C, which come as a pair, and therefore barn doors. Okay, so the first step, put the window pod in the window recess. You want to push this part of the frame up towards the latch and in towards the outside of the door. Next, we're going to blind fix some screws through the face of the pod. So I'm going to make a small incision with a blade, peel it back and put a screw in. So the fixings for Window Pod C are here, here, and at the bottom right down there. There is no fixing for the top right hand corner. It does sit nice and tight, but if you feel you need to, feel free to drop a bit of Sikaflex or polyurethane bonding agent on the back there.